Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix if the Apple Intelligence is not showing up on your iPhone device after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18 or later. So if you have updated your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18 and now Apple Intelligence feature is not showing on your iPhone device, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix if the Apple Intelligence is not showing up on your iPhone device. So first of all, here make sure that your device is compatible with Apple Intelligence feature. So make sure that your device is compatible with Apple Intelligence, because just iPhone 15 or later models are just support the Apple Intelligence feature. Make sure that your device is compatible with this feature. So if your device is compatible with Apple Intelligence and still Apple Intelligence feature is not showing on your iPhone device, then here you need to tap on settings on your iPhone device. Then after that, scroll down and tap on general. Then again scroll down, then here you need to tap on language and region, and here you will need to select the supportive language from here. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then you will need to close this tab. Again, open settings on your iPhone device, then scroll down, then here you need to search for Siri. So here is Siri, and here make sure that you have enabled the Apple Intelligence feature from here. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again, open settings, then scroll down, then tap on general, then tap on soft update, and make sure that your device is up to date and here is not any update is available. If here is any update available, then here you will need to update your iPhone device to the latest iOS version. So after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here you need to tap on settings, then scroll down, then tap on general, then again scroll down, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset all settings from here. Then after that, here you need to enter your iPhone passcode. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again, open settings. So after that, scroll down, then here tap on screen time, then again scroll down, then tap on content and privacy restrictions. So after that, here make sure that this toggle should be disabled from here. So after that, after all these settings, hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to turn on the Apple Intelligence feature on your iPhone device after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18 or later. So that's it from this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.